Wildfires are amongst the most terrifying and dangerous natural disasters on the planet. Not only can they spark up in a wide variety of places, they can also spread quickly and scorch tens of thousands of acres of land in a matter of days. In 2020 alone, more than 10.1 million acres were consumed by fire in the US, destroying over 10,000 buildings, and claiming 33 lives in the process. Those numbers are incredibly sobering, of course, but all the more so when you realize that they represent a sharp increase over the wildfire activity that took place in 2019. Subscribe Facts Around the World for more interesting videos, and press the bell icon. Let's get started. If you happen to live in a part of the country that is more prone to wildfires, it's important you remain prepared. That means staying aware of the current climatic conditions in your area and monitoring any fires that may already be burning nearby. A sudden shift in wind can change the speed, size, and direction of a wildfire, rapidly creating a dangerous situation that may require emergency evacuation. To help you stay prepared for just these kinds of circumstances, the Red Cross, CDC, and Ready.gov all offer lists of items that should be kept on hand in a disaster preparation kit. Each of these items are meant to keep people safe, informed, and in communication while waiting for assistance or making their way to safety. To further assist in that process, we've created a list of our own, with some very specific products you'll want should a wildfire break out in your area. Use these items to create an emergency bug-out bag that's kept safe and organized at home and that you can quickly grab on your way out the door should the need arise. When building the ultimate wildfire survival kit, keep these items stocked around your home at all times. Number 1. Bottled water. Even if you get excellent water straight from your faucet, it's always a good idea to keep an ample supply of bottled water around the house. An unexpected natural disaster can disrupt or contaminate sources of drinking water, making it difficult to replenish fluids and stay hydrated. This is especially true during a wildfire, when warm temperatures, dry air, and gusty winds can greatly exacerbate the situation. Number 2. Non-perishable food. Natural disasters often result in a loss of power, which could lead to all of the fresh food in your refrigerator going bad. That's why it's important to keep plenty of non-perishable food items, ensuring that you'll always have something to eat should the need arise. As the name implies, non-perishable foods are ones that stay in your pantry or on your shelf for extended periods of time without spoiling. The most common types of these foods are canned goods such as soup, beans, vegetables, or even fish and meat. Other non-perishables include dried fruits, nuts, peanut butter, rice, and other grains, as well as granola bars and jerky. Freeze-dried and dehydrated meals are another option that falls into the non-perishable food category. These types of meals are especially popular with backpackers and campers, because they are lightweight, easy to store, and don't go bad. They also happen to be simple to prepare and are surprisingly tasty, all of which are features that make them handy in a disaster zone, too. Number 3. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration Weather Radio. In an era when smartphones grant us access to an endless stream of information and alerts, it's hard to imagine why we'd need a weather radio to keep us informed. But smartphones need to be recharged regularly and don't always have good network connections, which may render them somewhat useless during an emergency. Having a proper weather radio at your disposal helps alleviate that. Number 4. Flashlight. A good flashlight is one of the most important tools you can have around your home, and it's especially useful during a natural disaster. An unexpected power outage makes an already challenging situation even more difficult, particularly after dark. But having a source of light that's bright, easy to carry, and always close at hand is vital. If you prefer something that isn't handheld, consider stashing a headlamp in your bag. They're just as beneficial as a flashlight while also freeing up your hands. Number 5. First aid kit. There really isn't much of a need to explain the importance of keeping a first aid kit around your house. Whether you're mending scraped knees or dealing with more serious injuries, having a stash of common medical supplies is incredibly useful. That said, adding a smaller and more portable kit you can easily carry with you can be of enormous benefit too. Number 6. Extra batteries. Even though many electronic gadgets now use built-in rechargeable batteries, there are still plenty of devices that use disposable batteries instead. Things like flashlights, headlamps, handheld radios, and walkie-talkies still rely on these more traditional power cells. Those batteries can be efficient and have a long life, but they can also lose power or start to corrode over time. Because of this, it's important to always keep fresh batteries on hand. Number 7. Emergency whistle. An emergency whistle is yet another piece of gear that you'll want to carry with you in your bug-out bag. A whistle can be used to signal to firefighters or first responders to let them know that you may need assistance. It can also be used to get the attention of others so you can warn them of potential danger too. Number 8. Dust mask. A wildfire is dangerous not just due to the flames and heat, but because of the smoke and ash that's generated too. If you find yourself caught in a wildfire zone, the thick smoke and other particulates in the air can make it extremely difficult to breathe, even for someone who is otherwise healthy. Some of that danger can be mitigated thanks to a simple product everyone's become acquainted with lately, a mask. Number 9. Local maps. The flames and smoke from a wildfire can be disruptive in many ways, including closing down roads. That can make it challenging to navigate and could require finding alternate routes to reach a safe destination. Using the Maps feature on a smartphone or computer helps mitigate those challenges, provided there's cell service or an internet connection available. If not, having paper maps you can consult proves highly useful. Number 10. Backpack. Now that you have a list of all of the important gear to have with you during a wildfire, you'll also want to select a proper backpack to serve as your bug-out bag. When picking a pack for this job, look for something compact, lightweight, and easy to wear that doesn't compromise on space or durability. You'll also want a pack that has plenty of pockets and stash compartments to keep you organized. Easily accessible grab handles and shoulder straps are a must too. If you liked our video, do give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel Facts Around the World, and press the bell icon to get more videos like this. Until next time.